How to fix Snapchat AI. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go to your settings, open it, and then go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop. Click also OK, and what's next? Now you have to go to your Play Store, update your Snapchat if it's not updated, and after this your problem will be solved. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.